This might look like dirt, but it's not dirt. It's compost. And it's one of the most important things that you can add to your garden. So what is compost? Compost is just broken down organic material. That means leaves, grass clippings, food scraps, plant material from last year's garden. And it's broken down by fungus, bacteria, and time. That's it. So what's the difference between soil and compost? Soil is basically broken down rock, clay, sand, silt. Compost is broken down living things. And good soil is a mix of each. Let's think about clay soil. It's made up of tiny little flat particles that when stacked form a barrier, which is why clay soils tend to drain very, very slowly. If you add compost to that, it breaks it up and allows moisture to flow through more easily. And let's think about sand. Sand is tiny particles that are pushed together, but in fact, there's a lot of space between them. So water flows right through it. If you add compost to that, it helps retain moisture. The same material solving two completely different problems. And that's why I like to call compost almost magic. Compost happens whether you manage it or not. If you pile up organic material and give it enough time, it'll break down into compost. You can manage it in order to speed up the process, but that's a topic for another video. I just want you to understand what compost is. And once you understand that, you'll never look at soil the same way again. I don't believe in hacks in the garden, but if anything comes close, it's compost.